Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation. We are from Group 510 and we will present our project entitled Mobile Bus Motorcycle Service Management Application. But before we come to the presentation session, let me introduce our member. Our product owner is Mrs. Sukma Evandini STMcom, who oversees the project and ensures that everything goes as planned. The Scrum Master is Shakila Aswalia, who manages the workflow and keeps the team coordinated. And for the developers, there are me, Khairunisa, Dani Zulkarnain, Shalzi Astaudi, and Muhammad Irfan Mustafa. Together, we collaborate as one team to bring this project to life. Well, I think that's enough about the introduction section. Let's come to the next session. It will be the presentation of our project. In this project, we identified several main problems faced by motorcycle users, including first, many riders often forget their service schedules. Second, there's no automatic reminder system. Third, service records are still manual and difficult to track. Next, users often don't know which component need to be checked or replaced. And lastly, delayed servicing can reduce vehicle performance.
Glamor is here as a solution to help users monitor their service schedules and motorcycle condition in a more practical way. This app has automatic reminder based on mileage and service time, display components that need to be checked or replaced, and store service history digitally for easy access. With its simple display, Glamor makes it easy for anyone to maintain their motorcycle on time. Next, on the link canvas, we identified several key problems, such as user often forgetting service schedules, not knowing which parts need to be replaced, and not having need service record. Glemo addresses these issues with automatic reminders, component guides, and digital record keeping. Its main value is as an informative and personalized digital assistant for each user. Our target users are private motorcycle owners and online motorcycle taxi drivers, with marketing through social media and partnership with repair shop or automotive communities. Revenue comes from premium package with additional features such as multi-motor and motorcycle condition analysis.
Okay, here I will explain the slide which outline the functional requirement, which of course include login, registration, and logout. Our product strengths this time are monitoring mileage motorcycle, managing mileage history, motorcycle service schedule reminder, and motorcycle service history. As for the non-functional requirement, of course the application must be fast and lag-free. User data must be secure and protected. The application must be accessible at any time, and it must be easy to understand and for everyone. Here, we use an agile methodology called Scrum. Scrum was chosen because it's supportive and iterative, collaborative, and adaptive process to changing requirement. The project is divided into several sprints to product additional feature incrementally. A sprint products a version of the application that can be tested and evaluated by the team. The main goals is to ensure that development is running efficiently and meet end user needs.
Okay, this is our sprint overview and team setups. Our total project duration is 14 weeks with number of sprint is 4 sprint, each lasting 2 weeks. Each sprint is include planning, development, and evaluation processes. And the last is evaluation are conducted at the end of each sprint. Next, okay, this is our sprint planning and backlogs, with a sprint goal to produce an application that can remind users according to their vehicle service schedules. And these are the 4 sprints that we have completed. In our first sprints, we discussed about account registration and logins. Second sprint is about monitoring and mileage history. Third sprint is about service schedule reminders and service history. The last sprint is we talking about multi-motor management and logouts. Next. This is our sprint review and communication plans. Our sprint reviews are conducted to demonstrate development results and receive feedback from product owner and teams. And there, we have 3 communication plans. This consists of having 3 daily meetings per week, conducting a sprint review at the end of each sprint, and the communication media that will be used are WhatsApp and Zoom.
For our algorithm design, we are applying 3 main algorithms. First, we use linear regression to predict when a user will reach a specific kilometer target. This prediction is based on their daily motorcycle usage data. Second, we use a rule-based system. This system tracks the progress toward the next service and sends alert based on specific mileage component. And third, we use k-mean clustering. This algorithm classifies user into different groups based on their usage patterns, which help us understand if they are a light, medium, or heavy user. Next. Now let's look a quick scenario. Our user is Raffi, a student who owns a Honda Beat 2021. His commute 24 km per day to his campus. His motorcycle current condition in 19,980 kilometers, and his last service was complete at 15,000 kilometers. So Raffi immediately understands the result from Glemo. He learns that his motorcycle will reach a 20,000 kilometers in just 2 days. He also sees the mandatory service status is at 100%, meaning he has to change his oil immediately since he is 4,180 kilometer overdue. Finally, his discover he is classified as medium usage category user. Next. Next work plan, we have continue developing the remaining functional features, conduct application testing, fix bugs and improve performance, deploy the application, and the last evaluate result and collect user feedback.
Okay, now let's take a look at this slide. These are some documentation photos of the activities carried out by the Glemo team during the project progress. Now we come to the last agenda. It is closing, but before we end our presentation, we are as the presentators say sorry if we have mistakes during presenting our project. Thank you guys for listening our presentation. And with the Glemo team, would like to say goodbye and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.